In this video, I'd like to walk you through the user interface, or UI, for BigIQ version 5.0. We streamlined and simplified the UI to make it easier to use. The UI now works the same way for all components. For example, you now start managing all components from the same place. When you first log in, the screen you land on depends on which one you were on when you last logged out. Use the BigIQ menu at the top left to select the type of work you want to do. Some work is general. You will need to do these tasks regardless of which components you are using, and some is for a single solution such as network security or fraud protection services. There are several kinds of general purpose work that you will probably do regularly. You can manage the BigIQ system. For example, you manage users or do backups. You can add and remove the BigIQ devices you are managing. Finally, you could evaluate and then deploy configuration changes you made on the BigIQ system to the BigIQ devices you manage. How cool is that? Solution-specific work you do depends on which BigIQ components you manage. You can manage your access policies for BigIQ Access Policy Manager right here. Here, you can manage local traffic, including virtual servers, or iRules, or self-IPs. This is where you manage fraud protection services alerts. And here, you can manage your firewall protection policies. And finally, this is where you manage your web application protection policies. So, that's it for the top level of the BigIQ UI. When you select one of these task areas in the BigIQ menu, for most components, you can click these headings and zoom in to access additional features that relate to that component. Now, one last thing before we go. If you need help with a task, click the Help button. It's this question mark here at the upper right of the screen. If you're stuck, you'll probably find this very useful. You can use this link to toggle between help shown in your work window or in a separate window that you position and size the way you want it. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on BigIQ, go to the documentation section on support.f5.com.